Hello there. We are back with an interesting topic to uncover today. Can you guess what could it be about? Alright, I'll give you a hint, it is associated with water. Take a minute to guess. Still can't figure it out? Alright, well we will be uncovering some peculiar facts about fish. No, not the usual which you would see on the beach or even in restaurant menus, we are talking about the top 10 most unusual fish species in the world. Yes, we said unusual, but we mean to say that in a sophisticated way. Fish serve as an integral part of the ecosystem in so many ways. They assist in maintaining breeding patterns through predator fish, while some are known for bringing color and life in the coral reefs. If we go deep down to the ocean floor, we will find certain fish who have sophisticated traits and characteristics which make them stand out from the bottom of the ocean floor. Let us explore the unusual fish which complement our ocean, create a sense of excitement for us to discover the undiscovered and learn about their own cool identity. Number 10. Fangtooth. Ooh, doesn't this name remind you of vampires and fangs? Sharp fangs perhaps, which are bloodthirsty? We wouldn't be surprised. Let us see how the fangtooth has landed itself as an unusual fish species in the world. This fish is known for residing in the deep depths of the sea, in cold or tropical temperatures. There are two species which are differentiated by size, one being bigger than the other. They are known for having sharp teeth of fang-like appearance, which has given them their current name. You might have seen a documentary on BBC Wildlife featuring this unusual species of fish. The fangtooth are not blessed with ample variety of prey to eat and will normally settle for small fish or squid, swimming by opening its mouth and with a rapid speed sucking its dinner inside. Number 9. Parrotfish, also known as the coral reef saving fish, is actually part of 95 fish species and represents a major chunk in the Indo-Pacific. This prominent type of fish plays a major role in bioerosion by producing a considerable amount of carbonate sediment by feeding on reef surfaces. Not surprising to mention, the parrotfish spend 90% of their day nibbling, or more realistically cleaning the reef. From its name we can derive multiple understandings such as their dentition, numerous teeth packed in a tight mosaic manner which forms an appearance similar to a parrot beak. Number 8. Stonefish. A prominent member in the Indo-Pacific, the stonefish is known to be one of the most dangerous, venomous and fatal to humans. Their inflicting attacks are known to be painful and fatal, of such unfavorable nature. According to their appearance, they are known to have a printed stone surface look which can easily fool anyone to assume it is a stone. They also appear in various shapes and colors. In most cases, people accidentally stepped on a stonefish without realizing, which has resulted in immediate reaction from the stonefish and injury to the victim, most cases of which have been fatal unfortunately despite seeking medical treatment. Nowadays awareness, although limited but in some areas, is highly advocated about precautionary measures such as immediate treatment for protection from a fatal reaction. Number 7. Goblin shark. This is a unique and rare species of deep-sea sharks. It is unusual in many ways. Its appearance of pink-tinted skin along with goblin-like traits such as a long flat snout, prostubal jawline carrying sharp pointed teeth. It resides in 3 major oceans, including prominence in areas such as the Mexican Gulf, France, Portugal and southern Brazil, among many other places. Its diet consists of large and small fish such as sharks and rays, squids and crabs sometimes make it towards the menu too. Due to the nature of its sharp teeth, they do serve as a potential threat to humans. Currently they are termed as least concern, due to their stable population according to the conservation status. Number 6. Anglerfish. This fish is a real predator. You must have seen it in any National Geographic documentary. The anglerfish is famous for its prey capturing strategy by utilizing a fleshy growth from its head to lure other fish. They dwell either on or near the seafloor. The anglerfish is known to mature with 1 to 3 years after being born. Until now it has not come to a conclusion about their actual lifespan, although so far it is known they usually live a few years. They are pure carnivores, which means they only eye on prey and not coral reefs. It is surprisingly used in human consumption in dishes mainly served in Korea and Japan. Number 5. Psycholoutes marcatus. The sound of this sophisticated name speaks a lot itself. Also known as the blobfish, is a fish residing in the deep sea. It is a local resident of New Zealand, Australia and Tasmania. They are small and short in appearance and have flesh a gelatinous mass with a density slightly less than water, facilitating the fish to float above the sea floor without expending energy on swimming. They do not serve as a threat to humans by lacking the physical structure or sharp teeth to possess harm and unlikely to come with human contact. Number 4. Jawfishes. The jawfishes are a family of fish, 80 species to be precise. This unique species is home to warmer waters in the Atlantic, Pacific and Indian Oceans, where they enjoy residing between shallow and few hundred meters deep depths. Their physical appearance is captivating through their petite yet large eyes, head and mouth. They are accustomed to spend their time residing in burrows and sandy areas. An interesting fact is of how they are very protective of their offspring and allow their eggs to hatch in their mouths. The diet of jawfish is not grand as it is a shy eater, primarily consuming small-sized live organisms near its residence, also known as its burrow. Number 3. Atlantic wolffish. This fish also has multiple other names including sea wolf or ocean catfish. They are popular for their unique appearance and most importantly their ability to sustain fluid blood movement in their bodies during cold seasons. It is interesting to share the considerable large size of eggs they produce too. Another interesting factor is their importance in contributing to the ecosystem by curbing sea urchin and green crab populations. Characterized as stationary fish, which means they rarely move from their rocky residing areas, the Atlantic wolffish are known for residing on the hard ocean floor, particularly in tiny caves. The Atlantic wolffish is an avid fan of cold water too, which explains its choice of residing at the bottom of the ocean floor. Number 2. Coffinfish. This is a species of sea toads and resides in salty waters of Australia and southwestern Pacific. They have a different type of appearance consisting of a spiny body which can grow to approximately 22 centimeters, a strange lining around the mouth area in black complemented with small yet sharp teeth. An interesting yet strange fact revolves around the ability of the coffinfish to hold its breath for an impressive 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes. The coffinfish enjoy eating small fish, shrimp, small squid, turtles and occasionally sea birds. Number 1. The snakehead fish. This certain species of fish are part of freshwater areas in Asia and Africa. They are known for being predatory fish, featuring their distinguished dorsal fins, comparatively large mouths and impressively shiny teeth. Breathing through their gills empowers them to travel or migrate short distances. The snakehead fish usually avoids contact with humans unless humans get too close to their nests, in which a natural sign and expression of aggression, sometimes to an extreme extent, is displayed. Known for being thrust feeders, the snakehead fish enjoys consuming plankton, small mollusks and aquatic insects. They also eat frogs and other fish such as carp. There are many other fish species demonstrating strikingly unique and fascinating abilities in their respective ways. The ocean has many depths, ranging from shallow to deep depths, ocean floors and endless unexplored avenues. Each day our researchers delight us with news such as unearthing a new species, an undiscovered part of the sea of even a trait of a certain fish. All such information helps us understand fish species and how they serve the ecosystem. It is important that we understand the different types of species our oceans serve as home to, for it is our duty to protect the ocean, seas, rivers and water bodies in which many organisms including fish reside. At the same time it is crucial to realize and accept the dangers of poisonous or aggressive fish, for which it is necessary to educate children and adults about them and precautionary measures.